Hey, what's up everybody? Andrew Howard A. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. If you haven't watched my latest video about being no small creator, go ahead and watch it. Link's gonna be right up here, I believe. Go watch it. It's talking about being no small creator. It's Cody and Warner and our kind of movement about being no small creator. So go ahead and go watch that. Thursday is Thanksgiving, and basically what I want to tell you guys about this vlog is just being thankful and what I'm thankful for. Now, I'm usually not really in like a dress kind of shirt, but I'm going to work today, so I'm doing some video editing today. So the kind of crazy thing I think of about being thankful for Thanksgiving is trying to think of the things that you usually aren't thankful for that you should be thankful for, like the grass being green, like the sun actually shining, stuff like that. Not the amount of rain we had this year, because that is an insane amount. Before I go to work, actually, I'm gonna go and wash my car. I'm gonna go through an automatic wash. I haven't washed it in almost a month and a half. So let's just go along and finally go wash my car. Okay, while I'm waiting for this car in front of me to go through the car wash itself, I want to talk to you guys how thankful I am for the amazing weather today. It's November. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. I love this weather. I love that there's finally a nice warm day, and I absolutely love it. I'm wearing a short sleeve shirt, don't need a jacket, and I'm blowing my window up because there's water spraying back here. Yeah, I just wanted to say how thankful I am for the amazing weather that we're having today. This is Monday, so not tomorrow. But tomorrow's not supposed to be too bad. It's supposed to be like 54, so how can you hate on 54 when it's gonna be like 40s for the rest of the month? Oh well. Okay, I'm about to head into the car wash, so let's get this thing started and finally get this thing washed for once. Well, car is pretty clean, a lot cleaner than it was, so I just got to work also, so I'm gonna go to work, go inside, and then I'll catch up with you guys in like two vlog seconds, like a couple hours for me, but 2 vlog seconds. Work just got over. It's kind of dark outside, so I had to use my car light inside. I'm gonna go to the gym first, and then I will catch you guys as soon as I get home. We'll talk about some things that people are thankful for. I asked guys on Twitter, and I got a couple of responses, so I'll tell you guys then. Alright, got home, and now I gotta do some laundry, because I haven't done that in a while, so let me do that, do a cool little time lapse, and then we'll talk, so see you in a few seconds. Alright, now I am done doing all my laundry. I even made my bed. So let's jump onto Twitter, and I think I had one response from my cousin talking about what he was thankful for. He says, "I'm thankful for the opportunities that have become available to me, to have a good job, to travel, and to meet new people." That's awesome, James. Thank you so much for responding. And what I'm thankful for my family and everything. I had this experience. The gym I go to, World Gym here in Millsboro, they were doing a turkey giveaway for Thanksgiving, and I actually won one of the turkeys. My grandmother had already bought a turkey for Thanksgiving, so we gave that turkey to someone who needed it, and I'm telling you, they were just so thankful. It felt good inside to just give that away to someone who really needed that. Another thing I'm thankful for just you guys. Thank you guys for subscribing to me and just watching me go throughout my journey in YouTube as a no small creator. Because there's no such thing as a small creator. We all create, and no matter what your creation is, it's huge that you're actually doing it. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys like this, and comment just what you guys are thankful for Thanksgiving coming up this week. And make sure you guys subscribe if you want more content like this. And I will catch you guys on Twitter this week. If you want to tweet me at Andrew Broward. I'll have the links in the description. Just click show more. Everything is on there. So I will catch you guys on Friday.